All right, it's the next day. I got it wiped down. I'm gonna do a panel at a time. This isn't a tutorial because I don't know what the hell I'm even doing. I do like kind of ish, but yeah, we're just gonna compound it first and then polish it after. I bought this machine here on Amazon. I will be using that to polish it, and I'm using just the regular Meguiar's compound and then the polish, same bottle, just compound, it's right there. So I'll be doing this first and going through the whole car, and however it turns out, it turns out. So hopefully we can fix a lot of the main issues. One being like the flatness from up here. So like it's got decent shine, but like a lot of like, you know, these micro scratches, things like that, just the slight imperfections. Obviously the deep stuff will not come out, but anything like this, these little scuffs would be nice to get out. This, I don't know if it'll come out. I'm not sure. It feels pretty smooth, so I don't know if that's all the way through or not, but just those little things. That's like the main stuff on this car, and then like around here, but like, yeah, just like the dullness, like there's no like that shine here. It's just like dull, like you can barely even see that I'm there. So the roof, same thing. It's like a lot of like orange peeling, but that's like the reflection that we're seeing there. So this side's not cleaned up, it's just like dusty, but you can see how it looked before when it came to the top of it. Like that's not dust, that's just like faded paint. We got this one done, and I'm actually very happy with the results. It's not perfect, but you can see, and this is just compound, so we still have to polish it, but it has like that shine back. There's these like, I don't even know what kind of scratches these are. There's a lot of like spiderweb surface ones, but I feel like there's like a lot of deep ones too, but I can't tell in this lighting. But I think polish will take those smaller ones out, like the spiderweb ones. Yeah, this compound is just not that strong. It's like a pretty beginner friendly compound. That's why I wanted to go with it, just because I didn't want to mess things up. It's still, it takes like, this fucking took quite a bit just for this. I had to go over it, what, 3 times just to get the results, which kind of sucks because it's just gonna take forever, but yeah, we'll see. All right, so I polished it here to see if it's gonna take these things out, and it is not. It's smooth to the touch. Like when I go over it, you can hear there's like no like difference of sound other than when I change direction. I don't know how to take this out. That stuff should be like able to come off, but I don't know, because it doesn't look like it's the like spider webs. It looks like it's more embedded deep. I don't even know what that would be, but that's like the best I can do with polishing. Get like a better light on there, but you can still see like there's tons of scratches. Is it better than before? Yeah, like it has more color to it, but these scratches, I have no idea how those are gonna, like, well, I guess I can't take them out, but I don't know what they are. This scratch did not come off here. If that didn't come off, this ain't coming off. So I don't think that's gonna be coming off. Yeah, damn, and like this didn't come off, which I'm surprised, because that's like very light, like I don't know, there's like nothing to it, and it didn't come off. I don't know if it's this compound, but I've seen people use it online, and it does like still really good, but this still kind of looks like shit. But again, it's like, I don't know if that's something that could come off, but I don't know, that just seems like not a big scratch, so now I'm worried about like the other small ones over there. But yeah, I don't know what the hell this paint is, but we'll keep on going. That took like fucking 20 minutes just for that little section. So I'm not gonna, I just want to kind of see how it would work and to see if the fading would come off, which it did pretty well. It's not perfect. There's just some, like, and I went over this quite a bit and like it just still kind of comes back. I'm just gonna now do the rest pretty like whatever, like not gonna be, I just want to see what I can do with something like this. But this, I think, like, this looks more, oh, this feels smooth too. I don't know. But okay, this section I'm really curious about. Like that right there. See the faded? That I'm very curious of how to come out. Because like the bottom part, other than this big scratch, the bottom part looks not bad. Like it's fine. It's all, anything that's slightly angled is just completely fucking ruined. So I'm very curious to see how that is gonna come across, because see how different that looks. So I'm hoping, but this wasn't like that, so we'll see how that will look. Right now it's looking a lot better. The scratches are like almost all gone. I already went through this area like twice. That's kind of the problem with this right now. I think this is because this is like a very beginner friendly compound, so it doesn't cut that much, but I'm having to go through like quite a bit. We're not in the sun or anything, but it's like drying out pretty quickly, and as you can see, it's working. Like the shine is a little bit better. You can actually see the screen, but I've gone over this 3 times now and you can see it's coming back, but I feel like it's just not cutting deep enough, because it's getting, you know, very like surface stuff. Like that looks fantastic. You can still see some scratches here and there. I am worried that to cut too much if I go get like another compound, a little like a stronger one. But well, I'm just debating on keep pushing on with this, just because I have to go over everything like 2 or 3 times, especially like the hard areas. Like I've gone over this multiple times. We're getting, I'm doing this by hand, but it's looking a lot better. There was like that big mark right there. That's gone, so I didn't go over it this way, but I'm just using a microfiber for that. But yeah, like just the surface, like it's hard. It looks better on camera, honestly, but you can just see that it's just not quite there yet with that light compared to, you know, that. Again, it looks better on camera. It's weird because like carpets look way worse on camera than like when you look at them directly, but then on paint it looks so much better on camera than in real life. So yeah, I'm just debating on going to get another compound. Like it's the McGuire's one, but it's like the Pro compound with like the meter thing on the side, like showing the not the grit, but the strength of it. I just don't want to go to the store right now, but I'm gonna have to, because there's no way this is gonna last. I'm like probably 3/4 bottle, maybe half, I'm not exactly sure, but I'm just having to go over these areas multiple times. Finally done. I didn't record any of it. I just wanted to get it done. I was getting annoyed because it wasn't turning out as good, but huge improvement still. I had to fix the bumper again, but all right, here's the car. When it comes to big scuffs, like there's nothing I can do. It's just bad bumper, horrible bumper. I want to get a new one, but that just never happened. But look at this. Look at that. A lot better than it was. Obviously there's a lot of imperfections, but like, remember this door here was all faded? It's not perfect. There's still like marks like that, but it's an actual reflection. But like this looks really good, looks a lot better. I won't say really good because it still looks like shit. Again, cameras make it look better, but again, this was really faded here as you saw, but now good reflection. There's still some fade here, but again, significantly better. This roof, there's a lot of like crow's feet on it. So it's not perfect. Again, on camera, this looks way better than in person. I'll tell you that right now. This area's a little bit better. This was purely faded, and that's like the best I can do on there. So it's got some reflection back. Here's the back here. All the stickers are gone. Again, like, I just gotta wipe that down right there. I'm doing a final wipe down, but I want to do it before the sun because this side you can still see a lot of imperfections. But again, this was purely faded before, and like everything is just so smooth to the touch, but still a lot of like spider webs, which is the one that I thought I was gonna get out, but I guess I didn't get any of the spider web. I got some of it out, but there's still so much like spider web action going on. Done in there, but yeah, you can still see a lot of like scratches and stuff just from the car being what it is. But in the sun you can see a little bit more, but like these scratches are still like a little bit there, but like this was all faded if you remember. And then this is the front. I didn't do anything with the front, I just left it as it is because it's whatever, but at least it's better. It's not chipping anymore because there's a new seal of clear coat. I'm restoring the plastics right now. I have to go get other windshield wipers because the ones I bought are not compatible with this, because of course it's Chevy Sonic, nothing's compatible with it. But yeah, just kind of restoring the plastic. It's coming back. It's just really faded. But yeah, like this, where was that scratch? Like that huge scratch that was on the door is almost all gone. It's like the best I can do. These are like, you can feel them. Yeah, like so much better. Yeah, in the shade it looks fantastic, but in the sun, oops, no, it's not bad. It's just like, that's just what the car is, but it's significantly better. It's not perfect, nowhere near perfect, but like this just has so much scratches, man, but it's smooth to the touch. It's like really smooth, feels good. But that's the best I can do with the knowledge that I had. I did use my neighbor's polisher. He let me borrow his because his is just a buffer, so it just spins. I felt like that did so much better. I still just kept using the Meguiar's stuff, but with a buffer, obviously it's more sketchy because you can burn through the paint. But the orbital, like, I had to go through so many times, but with that, it still took a long time. It was just so much easier because it was just getting it done, you know, once. Like, you have to go over twice rather than 4 times. Like on the other side, on this door with the orbital that I have to go over so many times. But yeah, we got the windows all done, all cleaned. I used a 1000 or a quad 0 wool, and it still won't come out. So, but windows as good as I can get it. And I'm gonna just hand polish this if I can real quick, just because there's some oxidization plus maybe liquid from the inside, so that might be just from inside, I can't tell. Overall, the car is finally done. That was a month and a half of work. I am gonna end the episode here. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this one. If you guys like to hit the like button down below if you want to see the final recap of how much the car costed and how much we sell it for. Hit the subscribe button down below, and yeah, you guys have a wonderful and beautiful day. DSEC 208's out.